Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered, where did life begin? This question has sparked curiosity and inquiry for millennia, leading to numerous theories about the genesis of life. From the primordial soup theory suggesting life began in a warm, nutrient-rich sea, to the idea that life was delivered from outer space, each theory adds a unique piece to the puzzle. So buckle up as we embark on this journey through time as science unravels the mystery of life's origin. Imagine a time about 3.8 billion years ago when Earth was a young planet, a time when the atmosphere was a volatile cocktail thick with carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, and traces of simple molecules like methane and ammonia. This was a world much different than the one we know today. The seas, devoid of life as we understand it, were more like a simmering cauldron subjected to intense sunlight, volcanic activity, and the occasional meteor impact. This brings us to the concept of the primordial soup. Picture this as a bubbling broth, a mixture of simple molecules stewed over eons in Earth's early oceans. This soup didn't contain anything alive, not in the sense we'd recognize today. What it did contain was a myriad of organic compounds, the building blocks of life. These compounds formed through natural processes, driven by the energy from the sun, lightning, and Earth's own internal heat. Over time, they began to interact, to combine and recombine in a multitude of ways in a process we call chemical evolution. This is where things start to get really interesting. You see, life as we know it is based on complex molecules like proteins and DNA, but these molecules didn't just pop into existence. They had to evolve from simpler precursors within the soup through countless iterations of chemical trial and error. The key point here is that the conditions on early Earth were not only suitable for the formation of simple organic compounds, but also for their evolution into more complex structures. This primordial soup theory suggests that given enough time and the right conditions, life could emerge from non-living matter. Now, it's important to note that this is a theory. It's one of the best explanations we have for how life could have started, but it's still subject to ongoing research and debate. It's a tantalizing idea, though, isn't it? The thought that life, in all its intricate complexity, might have begun in a simple ancient soup. So could the primordial soup be the cradle of life? Well, there's more to this story. Enter RNA, a molecule that may have played a pivotal role in the origin of life. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is a remarkable molecule with unique abilities that make it a prime candidate for the spark of life. RNA is like a messenger carrying genetic information from DNA to the machinery of the cell that produces proteins. This is vital, as proteins are the building blocks of life. But RNA isn't just a messenger, it's a multitasker, capable of catalyzing chemical reactions, much like an enzyme. This dual function of RNA, to carry genetic information and catalyze chemical reactions, is quite unique, and it's what makes RNA a fascinating piece in the puzzle of life's origin. Consider the RNA world hypothesis, a theory that proposes that the world of life began with RNA. This theory suggests that billions of years ago, the Earth was filled with RNA molecules, catalyzing reactions, replicating themselves, and eventually leading to the evolution of more complex life forms. In this RNA world, RNA was the master molecule, doing the work that is now divided between DNA, RNA, and proteins. But how did these RNA molecules come into existence? Some scientists believe that the building blocks of RNA could have formed in the primordial soup, the mix of chemicals that existed on early Earth. These building blocks could then have assembled into RNA through a series of chemical reactions. RNA could be the ancestor of all life forms, but are there other possibilities? This is where the journey into the origin of life gets even more intriguing. As we continue to delve into this mystery, remember the answer might not just be RNA or DNA or even proteins. Deep in the ocean, hydrothermal vents may hold secrets to life's beginnings. In the pitch-black depths of the sea, far away from the warm embrace of the sun, exist towering structures spewing out superheated, mineral-rich water. Hydrothermal vents. These vents, often considered the chimneys of the ocean floor, are believed by some scientists to be the cradle of life. Imagine a world where the sun's nurturing light is a distant dream and the pressure can crush a submarine like a tin can. This is where hydrothermal vents thrive in the harshest of environments. It's a place of extreme conditions with temperatures that can reach up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and yet life flourishes here. These vents are not just geological marvels, they are hotbeds of life teeming with unique organisms that have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. These creatures, from tube worms that can grow up to 8 feet tall, to ghostly white yeti crabs, to microbes that dine on toxic chemicals, form the basis of a food chain independent of the sun's energy. But how could life originate in such an inhospitable place? Some scientists propose that the mineral-rich waters heated by the Earth's core could have provided the perfect conditions for the formation of simple organic molecules, the precursors to life. The heat could have acted as a catalyst, encouraging these molecules to combine in various ways, eventually forming the first primitive life forms. The idea that life could have originated in these hydrothermal vents is supported by the discovery of similar vents on other celestial bodies, like Saturn's moon Enceladus and Jupiter's moon Europa. This discovery hints at the possibility that life, as we know it, might not be confined to the hospitable climes of Earth's surface. So, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of life's origin, we find that our journey may not end at the Earth's surface. The answers we seek could be lurking in the dark, mysterious depths of our own oceans. Life's origin could be deep under the sea, yet there's another theory that's quite out of this world. Could life on Earth have originated ... in space? Now that's a question that can really make the mind wander. Picture this: billions of years ago, life didn't start in the ocean or the muck. Instead, it began light years away, traveling through the cosmos before finally crash landing on our blue planet. This isn't just science fiction, but a serious scientific hypothesis known as panspermia. Panspermia suggests that life exists throughout the universe, distributed by meteoroids, asteroids, comets, and even spacecraft. It proposes that life may have begun on Earth with the arrival of these cosmic wanderers carrying the seeds of life, organic compounds. These compounds are the building blocks of life as we know it. They include amino acids, the components of proteins, and nucleobases, the essentials of DNA and RNA. So, is there any evidence that supports this intriguing theory? Well, indeed there is. Scientists have discovered these organic compounds in meteorites that have fallen to Earth, providing compelling evidence that the ingredients for life can and do travel through space. Meteorites like the Murchison meteorite, which fell in Australia in 1969, contained a rich soup of amino acids. The discovery of these compounds in such meteorites implies that the building blocks of life can form in the cold, harsh realm of space, potentially seeding life on planets they collide with. But wait, there's more. Not only have we found organic compounds in meteorites on Earth, but our space probes have also detected them on Mars and in the outer solar system. These findings suggest that the ingredients for life are not unique to Earth, but are spread throughout the cosmos. So could the life we see around us and the life that we ourselves are have begun its journey amongst the stars? The panspermia hypothesis certainly suggests it's a possibility. Life might have traveled across the cosmos to reach Earth, adding another twist to our origin story. As you can see, the question of life's origin is far from settled. We've journeyed through a myriad of theories, each one stirring the pot of scientific curiosity. From the concept of life springing forth from a primordial soup to the foundational role of RNA, we've explored the breadth and depth of our understanding. The theory of hydrothermal vents, with their nutrient-rich environment and constant energy supply, presents yet another compelling argument. The idea that life may have originated from these underwater chimneys is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of living organisms. Then there's the captivating theory of panspermia, suggesting that life on Earth could have been seeded from outer space. This theory takes our search for the origin of life beyond our own planet, expanding the horizons of our understanding. But the beauty of science lies not in the certainty of answers, but in the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each of these theories, while not definitive, offers a unique perspective, a piece of the puzzle in our quest to understand the origin of life. The journey is far from over. With ongoing research and new technologies, we're continually unraveling the mysteries of life's beginnings. Theories evolve and our understanding deepens, driven by the insatiable curiosity of the human mind. While the origin of life remains a mystery, the quest for answers continues to fuel scientific discovery. So where did life begin? The truth is, we don't know yet. But that's the beauty of science. It's an ever-evolving field, constantly pushing the boundaries of the known into the unknown. It's a journey of questions and answers, a relentless pursuit of truth. It's about asking why and how, and not settling for anything less than an answer. So don't stop questioning, don't stop exploring. Remember, every great discovery starts with a simple question, so keep asking, keep exploring, and who knows, you might be the one to solve the mystery of life's origin.